I did not complete high school due to some family issues, so I didn't have the opportunity to be able to continue with my diploma when I was supposed to. Those few years in between that and 2019 were a little rough, but I ended up getting discouraged in my education. I did a lot of research and I found the Excel Center. It was a lot all at once, but the work and the dedication that not only did the teachers have, but the students had, it helped promote my idea, and it helped get me into the correct mindset of education is incredibly important. But then COVID hit, COVID hit. That was a rough time for everybody. So I ended up not coming back for a few years. I came back in 2023, this past term 5, because I finally found what I wanted to do in life, and I can't do that without education. The Excel Center has always been, here with open arms. I called back and I said, hey, is there a way that I can finish my education? And they were like, of course. And now I graduated in November. I'm very excited though. I plan on going into business, real estate. I plan on doing a lot for not only myself, but for the community around me. I work in the mall. The other day, I had somebody come up and I was talking about I'm graduating soon and I'm studying so hard so I can pass these tests. And I had 2 customers come in. They're like, oh, where do you go to school? I said, oh, I go to school at the Excel Center. They said, oh, I graduated. I graduated from the Excel Center back in about 2020, 2021. And I said, really? They said, yeah. It's a little community. They're impacting the whole community. And we're just talking about the teachers and the program and everything, yeah. And the conversation just comes up seamlessly. The Excel Center is most definitely a supportive place and a judgment-free zone. I am most definitely thankful to the Excel Center because the process of getting, a GED or a high school equivalency is so much harder than even coming here and doing the program and going through the classes. The teachers, the life coaches, everybody here is supportive. They push you. I'm very thankful because I needed that push. Here's how we can do it. Here's how we can help you. I'm very thankful for that little push.